Land Rover Freelander 1 LPG converted V6 with the KV6 engine, automatic, ready to drive. It is a 2002 with scrapes and scratches, a couple little dents as to be expected of a Land Rover of its age, and it is now ready for sale, ready to go to a new home. Comes with the wind deflectors, a 40mm lift kit, and BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres on steel wheels. It is ready for off-road. It's currently on 144,000 miles. It has full leather interior with heated front seats, electric windows all round, and power fold electric mirrors.